Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. So today is Friday and yeah, this is a vlog of an ordinary day. Today's gonna be a normal day, an ordinary day if you will. I don't have many plans. Actually, the only plan I have is to, how can I say, not to rest but to slow down a little bit, because if you watched the vlog from yesterday, we went out because I was invited by this restaurant to go there to post on my Instagram, on my personal account. And we usually don't go out on weekdays because of this. Now I'm tired. I woke up early, I went to the gym. I woke up the same time that I do every day and went to the gym, did my class, and then I came back and now I'm exhausted. But that's okay. I cannot actually rest. I have work to do, but I'm gonna stay home and relax. Easy. Today's gonna be an easy day, an ordinary day, but always healthy. So let's make coffee. I started my day with brewing a fresh cup of coffee. While sipping my coffee, I added the yoga flow video for today's post. It's always a serene way to start the day, immersing myself in the peaceful flow of yoga. After this calming start, I tied up my home. There is something truly therapeutic about organizing your space, creating a clean and harmonious environment that reflects a clear mind and heart. A well-organized space can significantly impact our mental well-being. It reduces stress, increases productivity, and can even spark creativity. By keeping our homes tidy, we are also practicing self-care. It's a physical activity that gets us moving and a mindful practice that helps us live in the present moment. Lunchtime rolled around and I realized I didn't have anything prepared, a rare occurrence. My go-to quick lunch is a perfect example of how easy and delicious healthy eating can be. Boiling eggs is such a straightforward way to add a high-quality protein source to your meal. Then there's the sweet potato, cooked effortlessly in the microwave. Sweet potatoes are not only a great source of carbohydrates, but are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a fantastic choice for a balanced diet. The fresh green salad with cherry tomatoes adds a burst of freshness and color to the meal. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are crucial for overall health. case you are asking why I didn't take a break today from the gym or other tasks that I have that I could have, I'm gonna give you an advice that I always give to my clients. Anytime you have a day that is not atypical, anytime that you get out of track, try to come back to the routine as soon as possible. A big mistake is sometimes we are doing just fine, we are on the right path, and we have this hiccup or we have something in the middle that makes us, I don't know, fall off the tracks. It makes us to skip the gym or something, because I see how difficult it is for people to come back, and you usually use that excuse. I didn't go to the gym any day this week, so better not going anyway. I will restart next week. Or I didn't eat good last night anyways, so why I should go to the gym? Or the opposite, I didn't go to the gym today, so I'm not gonna try to eat well today. I start the diet tomorrow. I come back to my routine tomorrow. And that's a mistake. As soon as you come back to a routine, the better. So every time I have an event during the weekdays, even if I stay up late, even if I sleep less than I usually do, I go to the gym the same time. In case you are asking, I wake up every day 4:30 in the morning. That's my normal time to wake up. Of course, I'm more tired today. Of course, I go to the gym and I will not perform as good as I usually do, but still I am showing up. I am keeping up with my routine, with my promise to myself. I am keeping my word to myself that I'm gonna take care of myself, of my body, of my mind. So that's the advice of the day. Anytime you have something different that makes you deviate from your routine, come back to it as soon as you can, especially if you are still working in stabilize your routine, because when we are starting a routine, when we are starting something new, a new habit, it's kind of hard to come back, I know. So the longer you don't do something, the harder it is to come back to do it. So that's my 2 cents for you of the day. Later in the afternoon, I baked my trustworthy protein cookies, a recipe I've shared a few times here on the vlog. They are not just healthy, but incredibly tasty. A perfect snack for any time of the day. Starting with the chicken wings, seasoning them with Cajun spices and cooking them in an air fryer is a fantastic approach. This method keeps the wings deliciously crisp without the added fats from oil. Then the dips. Using cottage cheese as a base is a clever and nutritious choice. It's high in protein and lower in fat compared to traditional cream-based dips. Adding fresh mint from my kitchen garden not only brings in a burst of freshness, but also a personal touch of homegrown goodness. I added this to the cottage cheese along with some organic extra virgin olive oil I recently got from Costco. At first, I tried simply mixing everything together, but the consistency wasn't quite what I was aiming for. So I decided to use a hand mixer, which smoothly blended the ingredients, achieving the cream texture I desired. For the second dip, I picked basil and yellow peppers, repeating the initial process. And of course, popcorn, a movie night staple. Popping it in coconut oil is a healthier alternative that adds a unique flavor. Coconut oil is a great source of medium-chain triglycerides, which are metabolized differently than other fats and can offer several health benefits. I hope this glimpse into my day inspires you to find those small daily practices that bring you peace, health, and joy. Keep experimenting with healthy recipes, cherish the moments of calm, and never forget to indulge in the simple pleasures of life. Namaste.